In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fillable forms with content controls in Word. By the end, you'll know how to set up a document that people can complete directly in Word, using fields they can type in, tick, or choose from, all while keeping your layout clean and consistent. First, we need to reveal the tools that make fillable forms possible. Word hides them by default, so let's enable the Developer tab. Open Word. Go to File, then Options. In the window that opens, select Customize ribbon. On the right side, check the box next to Developer and click OK. You'll now see a new Developer tab at the top of your screen. That's where all the form building controls live. With the Developer tab visible, you'll work from the Controls group. The basic idea is simple. Click where you want a field in your document, then choose the control that fits your need. It helps to type a label or question before each control so users know what to enter. Keep labels short and clear, and leave a little space for neat alignment. Use the Rich Text Content control when you want people to enter formatted responses. This lets them add line breaks, bold text, or lists, perfect for sections like descriptions, notes, or open-ended answers. Use the Plain Text Content control for simple, single-format input. It's ideal for names, short answers, numbers, or anything that should stay unformatted and consistent across responses. For yes or no choices or quick selections, add a checkbox content control. Place it next to each option, like subscribe to updates or alongside multiple items in a checklist. Keep the wording clear so users know exactly what they're confirming. When you need a predefined set of choices, insert a drop-down list or combo box content control. These let users pick from a set of options, which is great for fields like department, priority, or status. Plan your options in advance and keep them concise to make selection quick and error-free. If you want a date in a consistent format, add a date picker content control. Users can open a calendar and select a date without typing, which avoids formatting mistakes and keeps your document uniform. For forms that require an image, such as an ID photo or a logo, use the Picture Content control. It creates a placeholder so the user can insert a picture where it belongs without disturbing your layout. That's it. Enable the Developer tab, insert the right content controls, and label everything clearly. Save your document, test each field by clicking through them, and you're ready to share a professional, fillable Word form.